Hey guys, in this video we're going to be finding the average of the terms given. The formula for finding the average is equal to the sum of terms divided by the number of terms. So let's go ahead and just plug into our formula the things that we need. The first thing we need is the sum of terms. So the sum is telling us that we need to add all of the terms, okay, a total representation or a total number for all of the terms. So when we add each of these terms together, we end up with the number 571. Now, in our denominator, we need to know the number of terms. So it's simply asking how many numbers are we adding together? Well, we're adding 8 terms together. And so in your calculator or in your mind, you can divide 571 by 8 and you'll end up with 71.375. And I'm going to go ahead and round this or represent this to the nearest whole, and it's going to give me approximately 71%. Now the percent is simply because we're dealing with percentages, but what happens when we're dealing with money or decimals? Well, in this example, imagine that you're buying the same item over the course of 4 weeks. And each of those weeks, you're paying these different amounts for that item: $10, $15, $20, and $5. Well, we know that the average formula or the formula for the average doesn't change. So average will always be the sum of terms divided by the number of terms. So when we plug in this to our formula, the sum of terms is going to be 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 5, which is simply 50. And the number of terms is going to be 4. And so 50 divided by 4 is around $12.5. So $12.50. And so you can pretty much tell whether it is worth buying that item or not, whether it is Starbucks or whether it is renting movies. So there you go, guys.